Hi, and welcome to another YOLO adventure. I'm Richard,
And I'm Virginia.
and we are here to tell you about our trip that we're going to be embarking on very shortly.
We're going to be off again.
We are going to Southeast Asia and Asia. We're flying from Palm Beach to Korea. We'll be there for about a half a day, and then we're going to Singapore.
Yes, and thankfully we are not going anywhere while we're in the South Korea airport. We're going to choose to rest, as many of our friends have told us would be the good thing to do.
So I understand the Korean airport, Incheon, is a very exciting airport. There's a lot to do there. But after a 14 or 15-hour flight, I don't know how much we're going to do. But when we arrive in Singapore, we'll have 3 days there on our own to explore this wonderful, wonderful city country, because it is a city and a country all in one.
But unfortunately, with our mask fully on at all times.
Yeah, unfortunately, we have COVID erupting, and we have a little trepidation, but
yes,
the die is cast, and we're going to go, and we have our N95s, and I think we'll be fine. Anyway, we'll spend 3 days in Singapore exploring this wonderful city, the sights and the sounds and so on, and we'll bring that all to you in videos. And so make sure that you haven't subscribed. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll get an update when we post our videos. And following Singapore, we're going to Thailand.
Okay.
We're going to go to Thailand, and we'll be outside of Bangkok, and we're going to go to Koh Samui, which is a wonderful area of Thailand, and see Bangkok. And then we'll be on a ship, Silver Seas.
Which I'm looking forward to, the luxury of that ship.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a really nice cruise.
A butler, coffee in the morning.
The life. It won't quite be the RV, and Virginia won't have to act as the stewardess, and I won't have to act as the driver, and we have somebody else to do all that. So we'll be in Thailand for 3 or 4 days, and then we'll take another crossing, and we go to Vietnam. And we'll be in Saigon, or now Ho Chi Minh City. We'll do all the sites, Mekong Delta, river cruises, all that kind of exciting stuff. And then we take another day overnight cruise, and we end up in Da Nang. And we'll be able to see this wonderful, wonderful country. The food's supposed to be terrific. The people are very, very nice. And of course, there'll be remnants of the Vietnam War conflict, and one-day tour we're taking for the relics of that war. And that should be very interesting.
Yeah. What I'm looking forward to is experiencing the culture, seeing something that maybe a couple of those places he's never seen for a change. So that'll be a good thing.
Yeah, I haven't been to Vietnam, but I have been to Singapore, and I haven't been to Thailand.
I was going to say two for two. So
and then we take another overnight cruise, or a day and a half cruise, from Vietnam, and we end up in Hong Kong.
That one, that should be very careful.
That should be very interesting.
Yeah.
The ship arrives in Hong Kong, and we stay on board the ship an extra day. There'll be some excursions that the cruise line is providing, and then we're supposed to disembark and then spend 3 days on our own in Hong Kong. I've been to Hong Kong before. It's a wonderful city to explore. We don't know how this COVID thing is going to pan out, but hopefully we will survive, and we'll be able to thrive, and we'll be able to see the things that are available to see in Hong Kong.
Or we'll be there for a short time and then leave.
Yeah. So if things don't seem like they're going to be something we want to be involved in, we'll look for alternatives. I don't know, maybe we'll go to Hawaii on the way back.
That would be nice. I've been wanting to go there too.
So it'll be a long trip. We'll be gone for 3 weeks, and hopefully we'll have a lot of interesting videos to share with you. So we hope you stay tuned. I hope you might share this video with friends of ours who may be interested, and we'll see you from the other side of the world.
Bye for now.
Have a great day.
Are we done?
We're done. Thank you for watching, and as always, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and see all the videos we have coming in the future. Thank you.